Hey, what's up? Georgia here. This time around it's Pennsylvania. I'm still using the knife8.com. Starting off showing us our state that Pennsylvania recently updated its knife law, bringing more flexible to knife enthusiasts. Effective January 2nd, 2023, the state listed restrictions on the commerce, possession, and carry of automatic knives that originally enacted in April of '56. Uh, it, is, uh, it is crucial to stay on the cutting edge of the developments within the, the space, so the guide will summarize everything need to know about Pennsylvania knife laws. No, Pennsylvania lacks a statewide pre-emination law concerning knives. This means different counties within the state can set their own knife restrictions. Philadelphia, for instance, has stringent laws that prohibit the possession of any knife on public streets or private property, making it no exception to the more relaxed state laws. To navigate the local nonsense, it's advisable to consult law enforcement or research the specific laws of any county you plan on visiting. Uh, the following knives are legal to own in Pennsylvania, like a pocket knife, bowie knife, butterfly knife, pen knife, any any kind of hide knife, automatic knife for lawful purposes. The term offensive weapons, which used to cover certain types of knives, has been omitted, removing knives and other cutting instruments from the category. Now, offensive weapons refer to items like bombs, machine guns, and other implements meant to inflict serious bodily harm, which serve no common lawful purpose. You can own any of the above listed knives, possessing them with criminal intent, especially in a concealed manner, could land you in legal trouble. There are no specifically restricted knives in Pennsylvania at the state level, although local restrictions like those in Philadelphia may apply. Uh, Carrying uh, an automatic knife without lawful purpose is discouraged. It's illegal to carry a knife on school or courthouse grounds. Carrying a knife with intent to harm or for any unlawful purposes is prohibited. Concealed carry is not distinguished from open carry except for where there's intent to use the knife criminally. It's legal to carry any knife for common lawful purposes. Violating Pennsylvania knife carrying laws could result in a fine of at least $300 in imprisonment for a minimum of 90 days. Uh, a state law doesn't specify restrictions for knives over a certain length. However, local laws may impose their own length restrictions, so checking your local laws is advised. Philadelphia stands out for its strict knife laws prohibiting the possession of any knife on public streets or private property except for certain exceptions like tools used in trades or knives transport securely from place of purpose to one's residence or business. Uh, Pennsylvania prohibits the sale or transfer to any deadly weapon to anyone under the age of 18. A deadly weapon is defined as a knife designed as a weapon and capable of producing death or serious bodily harm. Pennsylvania does not distinguish between open and concealed carry of a weapon unless there's intent to use it criminally. The law doesn't specifically prohibit individuals with felony convictions from owning knives, but like all residents, those who with felonies are not permitted to carry knives in public places without a valid reason. Swords, once considered offensive weapons, are now permissible for valid reasons such as display or use in theatrical performance. However, carrying a sword in public places is generally prohibited unless you're transporting it securely for a purpose like a sword show. Here's a couple of Pennsylvania statutes. 18 PA CSA Section 908 prohibited offensive weapons. 18 PA CSA Section 912 possession of a weapon or school property. 18 PA CSA Section 913 possessions instruments of crime. Pennsylvania General Assembly website. This website provides the official legal codes and definitions regarding knife laws in the state. Got one significant court case, Knife Rights Incorporated versus Outlaw. A lawsuit challenging Pennsylvania's ban on the use or possession of any cutting weapon on public streets or public property within 100 feet of any school zone filed May 5th, 2023, in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania. Here's a time. It's like three major changes in Pennsylvania. April 56, restrictions on the commerce, possession, and carrying of automatic or knives were intact. November 3, 2022, Governor Tom Wolf signed a House Bill 1929, repealing the ban on automatic knives. January 2nd, 2023, the repeal of the ban on automatic knives became effective, allowing for possession, sale, and repair of such knives. Well, that was quick and easy. Yeah, it sounds like one of the kids' freedom states. As always, no, I'm not an attorney. I'm not a legal expert. I'm just going state by state. Just do like an overview of the knife laws. Hope y'all so y'all can start looking to your local more in depth of your local laws for the state. Always like, share, and leave a comment. And if you're new, I appreciate you hit this subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future videos. Until next time, take care.